If you enjoy spending your spring and summer outdoors with family, lounging on your patio furniture, grilling delicious meals, and playing lawn games, an outdoor TV can enhance your experience. These TVs are designed to deliver excellent picture quality regardless of the weather conditions. They are built to withstand extreme temperature changes and even snow, ensuring you never have to cancel your game day parties or movie nights. Unlike temporary setups with portable projectors or screens, outdoor TVs provide a reliable, permanent fixture in your backyard. There are many solid options available today, each with important features to consider. When choosing an outdoor TV, look for one with a high IP, ingress protection, rating for water and dust resistance. A bright display panel with an anti-reflective coating is essential for a clear viewing experience in various lighting conditions. Additionally, consider the connectivity features and sound quality to ensure the best overall performance for your outdoor entertainment needs. In this guide, we have curated the best outdoor TVs for your backyard, garden, or patio. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Silvox Garden Series Outdoor TV. The Silvox Garden Series Outdoor TV stands out for its exceptional sound quality, making it the best choice for those who want powerful audio without the need for additional sound equipment. The 55-inch TV features 6 front-facing speakers that deliver immersive and powerful sound, ensuring that you won't need to invest in a separate weatherproof soundbar. The multiple audio drivers guarantee an immersive listening experience, making your outdoor movie nights and sports viewing all the more enjoyable. The Garden Series also boasts impressive picture quality. Its 4K panel, combined with strong peak brightness, provides vibrant and clear visuals. The TV supports HDR content, enhancing the viewing experience with rich colors and deep contrast. Android TV is built into the device, offering easy access to streaming services and an intuitive user interface. This makes it incredibly easy to stream your favorite shows and movies without needing additional devices. The weather-resistant design of the Silvox Garden Series TV ensures it can withstand various outdoor conditions. Its sleek all-metal exterior not only looks great, but also offers durability. The TV is available in 43 and 65-inch sizes, providing flexibility for different outdoor spaces. While it may not be ideal for use in direct sunlight, its combination of powerful sound, excellent picture quality, and smart features makes it a standout choice for shaded outdoor areas. Number 4. Silvox Pool Pro Series Outdoor TV. The Silvox Pool Pro Series Outdoor TV offers the best value for an outdoor television, rivaling the very best options at a lower starting price. This TV is designed to provide excellent picture quality even in sunny open spaces, thanks to its display panel with peak brightness comparable to Samsung's. The Pool Pro Series ensures a top-notch viewing experience, making it a great choice for outdoor entertainment. The Pool Pro Series produces a crisp and clear picture on a sunlit patio, demonstrating its ability to perform well in bright conditions. The TV comes with Android TV built in, providing access to all streaming services and the Google Assistant. The inclusion of Chromecast wireless connectivity allows for easy streaming from Android phones, tablets, or laptops. The Silvox Pool Pro Series is available in various sizes, including a 75-inch model that offers a big screen experience for less than $6,000. This makes it reasonably priced for a large outdoor TV with top-tier brightness. Number 3. Sunbright TV Veranda 3 Series Smart Outdoor TV. The Sunbright TV Veranda 3 Series Smart Outdoor TV is the best choice for shaded outdoor spaces like decks, patios, or porches. Its 65-inch screen features an anti-glare display panel with quantum dot technology and full-array local dimming, providing excellent picture quality and wide viewing angles. The 1000 nit peak brightness ensures that the screen remains visible even in shaded areas. Watching the Veranda 3 series in a shaded outdoor space is akin to viewing a high-end indoor TV. The TV's picture quality is top-notch, with vibrant colors and deep contrast. The anti-glare coating and solid brightness allow the TV to deliver amazing visuals at all times, including Dolby Vision Enhanced content. Its 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid visuals, making it perfect for watching movies and sports. Another impressive feature of the Veranda 3 series is its integrated media bay, which allows users to change the streaming platform if desired. The TV runs on a feature-rich Google platform, providing access to all streaming apps right out of the box. Additionally, the Wi-Fi-equipped TV can easily connect to other streaming players like Apple TV 4K, enhancing its versatility. The Sunbright TV Veranda 3 series also boasts a weatherproof aluminum exterior with a premium finish. The TV is available in multiple sizes, including a lower-priced 55-inch version and a larger 75-inch model. Number 2. Element Electronics Partial Sun Outdoor Roku Smart TV. The Element Electronics Partial Sun Outdoor Roku Smart TV is the best budget-friendly option available. This 55-inch TV offers a robust build and a bright display panel at an accessible price point, making it an ideal choice for those looking to enjoy outdoor entertainment without breaking the bank. The product is significantly more affordable than similarly sized competitors, making it a great entry-level outdoor TV. One of the standout features of the Element Roku TV is its integration with the Roku Smart Platform. This means you have immediate access to all your favorite streaming services right out of the box, without needing to purchase an additional streaming player. The intuitive Roku remote control further enhances the user experience, making it easy to navigate through channels and streaming apps. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Element TV does not skimp on essential features. It offers a bright and vibrant screen that ensures good visibility even in partial sun conditions. The TV's build quality is rugged, and it has an IP55 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. While the Element Roku TV is only available in a 55-inch size, its impressive combination of affordability, smart features, and durability makes it a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. Number 1. Samsung Terrace Smart Outdoor TV. The Samsung Terrace Smart Outdoor TV is the best overall choice for an outdoor television, especially if your budget permits a higher-end purchase. The 55-inch Terrace is an exceptional device designed specifically for outdoor use, boasting a super bright 4K QLED display panel that provides excellent picture quality, even in direct sunlight. This means you can enjoy stunning colors and dramatic contrast no matter the weather conditions. The Terrace's 4K QLED display panel is a standout feature, offering superior contrast and vibrant colors that make watching anything from movies to sports a visually immersive experience. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen ensures smooth, stutter-free action, making it perfect for watching fast-paced sports events. This is a notable advantage over many competitors that typically offer only a 60 Hz refresh rate. In addition to its impressive visual display, the Samsung Terrace comes equipped with a host of smart features. Onboard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2 connectivity, and Samsung's Tizen platform are all included, along with support for Alexa and Google Assistant commands. This means you can stream content and control the TV with voice commands without needing any additional devices. The TV is available in various sizes, including an 85-inch model for those who want a massive outdoor screen. Each model can be paired with the equally impressive Terrace soundbar, which provides high-quality audio to match the stunning visuals. While the Samsung Terrace is an investment, its combination of exceptional picture quality, smart features, and durability makes it the ultimate outdoor entertainment device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.